Hey guys, MICHAELJOSH, your gadget matchmaker here. Very busy day because of the launch of the new Galaxy S22 series. And look what just arrived. Actually, I've already opened it. In fact, I already have two phones on the table. So what are we waiting for? It's time to get on with our Galaxy S22 Plus and S22 Ultra unboxing. All right, we have them here. I want to breeze through this because the faster we can finish our unboxing, the faster we can move on to our review. Let's get started. We have the S22 right here in pink gold, and we also have the S22 Ultra in phantom black. Since they're very similar, we'll do them together. And there they are, not wrapped in any plastic. Let's take a look at the S22 Plus. Very nice. This is the pink gold phone. And now let's take a look at the S22 Ultra in phantom black. As you can see, these boxes aren't very deep, so there's not going to be a power adapter inside. None of that. Instead, you just have this little packet over here with a SIM card ejector tool, paperwork, and a USB-C cable. And while we have them in our hands, it's worth pointing out that these phones do not look like each other. The S22 Ultra is made to look like a Note, while the S22 Plus retains the design language of the S series. If you'd like to learn more about the S22 and S22 Plus or the S22 Ultra, we already have hands-on videos on our channel. You can click up here or down here to get the links. Start them up. All right, it's almost time to move into these phones and start my review. But first, we need some protection. Thankfully, this video's sponsor is TORRAS. So TORRAS sent us cases for all three S22 phones, but we're just going to unbox the S22 Ultra cases today. This one over here in the orange box is their Moon Climber. It's a clear case. Ooh, it also has a built-in kickstand. We'll try it on for size later. Next up in this black case is the Mars Climber. Very nice. This one has black bumpers. It has a smooth, translucent matte finish, and it also has a built-in kickstand. Now, if you don't like the kickstand, they also sell the Guardian case. So it's basically this case without the kickstand built in, but it comes with these. So in case you don't like those black buttons, you can swap them out with something more neon. The Guardian case has 4 of these X-Shock corners, which can absorb the impact in case you drop the phone from up to 6 feet. It's also got these raised lips for that extra protection, not only for the display, but also the protruding camera lenses on its back. I think of all the cases, this one is my favorite, apart from its nice frosted finish, which still lets me see the phantom black phone. I also like that it has a built-in kickstand. I can use it 3 ways, like this, and this. So when I'm having coffee in the morning, I can prop it up like so and catch up on my YouTube subscriptions. It's got the same patented X-Shock technology that cushions the phone in case you drop it. And finally, if you want a case that will completely show off the finish of your new phone, the Moon Climber. This one is made of a hard polycarbonate back with a softer TPU bumper around the edges, which TORRAS says is 10 times more anti-yellow compared to other clear cases in the market. It's also got the same X-Shock corners. So this case, like the Guardian and the Mars Climber, has military-grade protection and is shot-proof. And for extra protection, it has raised lips for the display and the camera lenses as well. All of these cases are available for the entire S22 series. While the S22 series is only on pre-order, you can already buy a TORRAS case today. They're available on Amazon, and if you use the link in the description box below, you get 10% off your order. If you visit Samsung.com, you can also check out first-party cases for the S22 series, some of which we filmed earlier this week, including the silicone cover with strap, which is similar in design to my favorite Z Flip 3 case. I also like this Rimowa-esque protective standing cover in navy. This one retails for $34.99. You can also pick up leather and silicone covers for the S22 Ultra. Before we go, there's a couple of things that I wanted to point out. First of all, if you ask me, I prefer the design of the S22 and S22 Plus. I don't really like the lack of a camera module on the new S22 Ultra. If you look closely, there's a lot of lint around each camera module, and it's not just limited to the Phantom Black model. If you take a look at these photos from our previous shoot, you'll see that even the burgundy S22 Ultra has the same problem. I much prefer the large camera bump on the Note 20 Ultra, or even last year's S21 Ultra. Speaking of colors, Samsung also quietly announced some Samsung.com exclusive colors. The S22 and S22 Plus are also available in graphite, cream, sky blue, and violet, while the S22 Ultra is available in graphite, sky blue, and red. One last thing, a lot of you pointed out that you really loved the micro SD card slot on the Note 20 Ultra, so I popped open the SIM card tray of the S22 Ultra, and sure enough, there is no longer any micro SD support. And that was our Samsung Galaxy S22 and 22 Ultra unboxing. We have a lot of videos that we're working on over the course of this next week, so make sure you're subscribed with the notifications bell ticked so that you get alerts as soon as we upload. Follow me on social media because you don't want to miss my charge test and sample photos. As soon as I get out in the real world, I will be posting them. And as always, for news and updates, make GadgetMatch.com your daily habit. Until the next video, I'm MICHAELJOSH. Thanks for dropping by.